Forget the smart home. Let's talk about a genius home. What if your house didn't just respond to you, but actually anticipated your needs? A home that saves you money while you're asleep and turns your four walls into a legitimate home of the future. Well, that future is closer than you think. Today, we're breaking down the essential upgrades you need to know about for the home of 2030, from next-level wellness systems to the affordable game changers you can buy right now. Let's get into it. The foundation, the brain of the home. Before we get to the cool gadgets, we have to talk about the single biggest change in smart home tech. For years, a smart home was just a messy collection of gadgets that refused to talk to each other. Your lights had no idea what your security system was doing, and your thermostat was off on its own little planet. Well, that era is ending. The home of 2030 is a unified ecosystem, with a central, AI-powered brain. This isn't just about telling your speaker to turn on the lights anymore. It's about creating a home that learns your habits. It knows to warm up the house minutes before your alarm goes off. It can spot an appliance that's using too much energy and warn you before it breaks. And it can tell the difference between a family member and a delivery driver at the door. The key to making this all work is a universal standard called Matter. After years of fighting, the big players, Apple, Google, Amazon, you name it, finally agreed to a common language. This means you're no longer locked into one company's ecosystem. You can buy the best smart lock, the best lights, and the best thermostat, and know they'll actually work together in one app. While full support across every single device category is still rolling out, Matter is the new foundation for a truly connected home. And looking even further ahead, while 5G and Wi-Fi are getting us by, the industry is already deep into research for 6G. Commercial rollout isn't expected until around 2030, but it paints a picture of instant, invisible intelligence connecting our homes and cities in ways we're just starting to imagine. This is the invisible backbone that makes all the cool stuff possible. Upgrade number 1: the seamless entry and next-gen security. It all starts at the front door. Fumbling for keys is officially becoming a retro activity. The first must-have upgrade for the 2030 home is a truly seamless entry. High-end homes are already using biometrics like facial recognition, but this tech is getting more accessible every day. Imagine walking up to your door and it just opens. This is possible now, thanks to Matter-compatible smart locks using ultra-wideband (UWB) technology in your phone. The door knows exactly where you are and securely unlocks right as you approach. For a more budget-friendly but still awesome upgrade, smart locks like the UltraLock U-Bolt Wi-Fi give you a fingerprint ID, keypad, and app control for under $150. It's a simple swap that completely changes the first interaction you have with your home each day. But real next-gen security is predictive, not just reactive. This is where AI-powered security cameras have become a game-changer. Systems like the Nest Cam can use familiar face detection to distinguish between people it recognizes and strangers, sending you a specific alert like "Familiar face detected," instead of a generic "Motion detected" notification at 2 a.m. This intelligence drastically cuts down on false alarms and gives you actual peace of mind. This smarts extends to the garage too. With EVs becoming the norm, a smart garage is essential. We're talking integrated EV chargers that talk to your home's energy grid, so they only charge when electricity is cheapest or your solar panels are cranking. And you can get started for cheap. A device like the Mic Smart Garage Hub costs around $30 and lets you open, close, and monitor your garage from anywhere in the world. This first upgrade about more than convenience. It's about creating a secure, welcoming entry that responds to you, and only you, without a second thought. Upgrade number 2: the genius living space, energy, and ambience. Moving into the living space, the focus is on two things every homeowner cares about: energy bills and ambience. The home of 2030 doesn't just use energy, it manages it, and this is where your smart home can really pay for itself. The heart of this is a smart thermostat, like the ecobee smart thermostat, which uses AI to learn your routines. It adjusts the temperature based on who's home, the time of day, and even the local weather, keeping you comfortable while slashing energy waste. But let's get even more granular. The unsung hero of home automation is the humble smart plug. For about $20, a Govee Smart Plug Pro can make any appliance smart. But its real superpower is energy monitoring. The app shows you exactly how much power your coffee maker or TV is sucking up, helping you identify those energy vampires and set schedules to cut them off. It's a tiny investment with a huge data payoff. Now for the vibe. Smart lighting is no longer just a party trick. It's about wellness. The biggest innovation here is circadian rhythm lighting. These systems automatically change the color temperature of your lights to mimic the sun. Cool, bright light in the morning to wake you up, and a warm, soft glow in the evening to help you wind down. While luxury homes are building this right into the architecture, you can do it yourself with the Philips Hue Starter Kit. It completely transforms the feel of a room while supporting your natural sleep cycle. By pairing smart energy management with wellness lighting, this upgrade makes your living space cheaper to run and genuinely better for you. Upgrade number 3: the Luxury Wellness Sanctuary. As we head into the bedroom and bathroom, the next upgrade is all about turning these private spaces into a personal sanctuary for health and wellness. This is about tech that actively looks after you. We already talked about circadian lighting, but its effect in the bedroom is incredible. By simulating a sunrise, smart lights can wake you up gently, without the brutal shock of an old-school alarm. At night, they dim to a warm glow, telling your brain it's time to rest and improving your sleep quality. It's also about the very air you breathe. Advanced air quality sensors are becoming a must-have, constantly monitoring for pollutants, allergens, and humidity. They can automatically trigger air purifiers to make sure your air is always clean, a lifesaver for anyone with allergies. The bathroom is also becoming a personal health hub. Smart scales and even bathroom mats can track things like your weight and body composition. And emerging technologies are pushing this even further. High-end smart toilets are now being developed that can analyze urine for health markers like hydration and glucose levels, giving you a non-invasive health snapshot every single day. Finally, home fitness is getting a major IQ boost. Connected fitness mirrors that offer personalized workouts and real-time posture feedback are turning spare rooms into private training studios, all linked into your home's ecosystem. This wellness upgrade marks a shift from a home that's just comfortable to one that's actively restorative, a space designed to help you live a healthier life. The bigger picture: universal design for the future. The last few ideas aren't about specific gadgets, but about the bigger design philosophies shaping our homes. First is biophilic design, bringing nature inside. This means maximizing natural light, using natural materials, and adding things like indoor gardens or living walls. Studies show this isn't just for looks, it's proven to boost well-being. Next up, multifunctional spaces. With remote and hybrid work here to stay, our homes have to be more flexible. Think hidden home offices, furniture that transforms, and modular walls that let one room serve 3 different purposes. Sustainability is no longer a buzzword, it's a baseline. This goes beyond just saving energy to include recycled and low-carbon building materials. AI-powered grids will run appliances like the washing machine or EV charger when electricity is cheapest or when your solar panels are producing extra juice. And finally, there's a huge focus on aging in place. Home design is becoming more inclusive for every stage of life. That means features like single-level layouts, curbless walk-in showers, and voice controls for everything. The goal is a home that's safe and functional for everyone. As we look toward 2030, the idea of a home is changing. It's no longer just a passive shelter, it's an active partner. It's a predictive genius that manages our energy, a wellness sanctuary that looks after our health, and a seamless environment that gives us comfort and security. Whether you start with a single $20 smart plug or you're planning a full-on renovation, the goal is the same: to create a space that is smarter, more efficient, and ultimately, more human. The future isn't about filling your house with tech, it's about using tech to make it a better home. If you found these ideas inspiring, Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video, where we'll dive into DIY smart home automations you can set up this weekend. Thanks for watching.